Hey guys, welcome to Realistic Crypto. I'm Mark with another 3Commas DCA Bot update. Before we jump into the update today, I do want to briefly mention the recent Medium article. I write on Medium, try 3-4 times per month, and every single month I do write a roll up of all of the passive income from the projects, what I've made. Now, October was not a great month, as you could see on the screen, but if you are interested in more detail about each of the projects that I'm involved in and some of the detail around that, then I'll leave a link to that in the description below. Second point before we get into the update, we have created a Discord group. I'll leave the link to that in the description below. It's completely free. It's a little quiet. Please come join. Please come say hello. And let's talk about all things passive income, investing in crypto. So with that done, the shameless shills, let's move on to this passive income update. So DCA bots, it was a challenging month last month. I detail that in the October update on Medium. Biggest challenges last month were, first of all, that we took a couple of big losses early in the month from deals that we had going back probably 4 weeks prior. We kept some 3x leverage tokens, which we didn't cut our losses early enough. As a result, big losses built up, and I took the decision to cut them and take the losses, as you know, they were in a position where, quite frankly, they were probably unrecoverable. So that had a substantial impact on the passive income last month. We also had some just general market challenges. I mean, there was, towards the back end of the month, last few weeks of the month, it was relatively quiet. There wasn't a lot of volatility, and as a result, running DCA bots in with low volatility. We're not grabbing those wicks. We're not DCAing in as deeply as we'd like to be, and closing out trades with a good few safety orders. And what we also saw was, because of that, a lot of open trades closing after a timeout. Each of the bots are set on a timeout period, and they were timing out with, in most cases, relatively small losses. In a couple of cases, 30, 40, maybe $50 losses. So it were a little bit more challenging last month because the volatility had disappeared. As you can see from the numbers on screen, last month. As you can see on the screen now, this week we have started to see some of that volatility back. There's been some decent percentage gains in Bitcoin and Ethereum this week, and as a result of that, other coins have been moving, which is really, really good. We can see today $8 so far this week, $67 pretty much, and $40 yesterday. So we did have a pretty good day yesterday. Pre and key are the ones that across the last 30 days, 7 days, and 24 hours have made us some good profit. Just taking a look very quickly at the statistics. So we are projected for the month of November. Very early days, but projection is $571. As you can see, I mentioned at the start of this video, we had a $359 loss last month. If we just drill down into this month, this is the start of the month. We started with a $6.50 loss, and we've had two pretty good days, and we're into another profitable day. And again, you can see those numbers there and the deals that have been taken. Quickly just take a look at the bots over the last 7 days. I know the last update was 8 days ago, but all of the ones where I hold a higher amount, making the higher profits. We do have a couple of interesting bots running, so we are looking to try and build some ETH off a UBX ETH pair, and we're looking to build some Bitcoin off an MTV Bitcoin pair. We do have some losers, so KDA is $23 down, Mbox is $5 down, and the Flux Long bot's $2 down. So there's still a little bit to figure out around those bots. The KDA one's been an interesting challenge, both long and short has been a bit of a challenge. Quickly, just moving into active deals. So as you can see, we are $26 in unrealized losses, which is 0.5% of the total balance used across all my accounts. So not a large amount of drawdown in these bots, and we're just leaving them to run. They either time out or they take profit. Just quickly looking at the 3Commas charts. So these are no different really, but just to get a better visualization, last 7 days we've made $80 in profit. If we look at that across the days, like I mentioned, we had 2 pretty good days this week. First couple of days of this week were a little bit of a challenge, and then looking into back end of last week, we made some profit there as well. The green days are certainly wiping out the red days and the losses that we're taking, which is really good. And then if I'll just look at that across pair, again, no surprises as we saw in the other chart. And again, we've got KDA that we'll keep running for a little bit longer, but we might make some changes around that soon if it doesn't work out any better. So that's it for this update. Again, like I mentioned at the start, link to the Medium article is in the description below. Link to the Discord in the description below. Also, if you do like the content, please like and subscribe. And that's it for this update. So thank you very much and goodbye.